How is it going, everyone in the Bandery Nation and worldwide? Copyright entire O'Neill. Welcome to the next BanG Dream Global Gacha Pack Opening Scouting video. So this video is taken after I've done my little short announcement on how I've lost my sense of taste and my smell video. About, as I'm recording now, I did it over an hour ago, I'd say. I am upset. I am upset about this, but we are gonna keep our high spirits. If we are having this type of problem about it, then don't panic. There is a solution. We just need to keep healthy and keep our spirits up. You know, if you have experienced your loss of taste and smell, then vice versa, COVID-19, then yeah, let me know. But we're gonna keep our high spirits. We're gonna keep moving, and yeah, we're gonna open some packs. So today, I'm gonna open a 1-band 4 guaranteed gacha pack. And I've chosen Roselia for this one. Why I chose Roselia? Because they won the grand prize at the last episode of BanG Dream Season 3. And to me, that's like winning the entirety of the whole competition. So, yeah, Roselia wins it for me. And plus, I was wearing the Roselia top when I was reacting to the episode, so double brilliant. But this event is a Afterglow event, as you see here. It says Spring Skies in the Next Grade Gacha. Yeah, it's an Afterglow event. So, yeah, I'm going to open a 1-band 4-star guaranteed pack. Then I'm going to open a 1 play with paid star 60 play pack and a 2500 pack to cap off the video. So we've got 3 to open today. Let me check if I'm recording. Yes, I'm recording. Good. Okay, right. Let's head over to this pack first. Come on, give me a new one. And you have to. Alright. Well, without any further ado, guys, let's get the first pack open. In 3, 2, 1, Firebird! Here we go. Come on. I know it's a 4-star. 4-star city! Woo! Yeah, it's a guaranteed. The notifications be gone. Alright, so we start with Arco. Moving on, we have Yukina. I don't know if there is... No, of course there isn't a featured member in this gacha. It's just any 4-star that you can have. Oh! 4-star Yukina? Yeah, it is! Brilliant, new card. Tears overflowing. Oh. Oh. I hate to see her sad. I love Yukina, but I don't want to see her like this. I'm still going to screenshot it anyway. But I know how you feel, Yukina. I know how you feel. I felt like that too throughout the entirety of the Easter weekend. Yeah, there's me having a little banter there. Anyways, moving on. Ah, now I know I have this one. Yes. Arco. Moving on. Got the Sayo. Oh! Another 4-star Yukina. Yes! I always wanted this card as well. I always wanted this card. If I had to choose from the 4-star guaranteed ticket pack that I was going to do, I would have chosen this. I would have chosen that, especially. But now I got it with the 4-star guaranteed Roselia pack. That's brilliant. That's fantastic. Oh, I'm so chuffed. I'm really chuffed about that. I'm going to screenshot that. I absolutely love everything about this one. With Yukina versus Ran from the Roselia versus Afterglow event. Great event, by the way. Great event. Okay. So, 2 new cards to go through. Both Yukinas. It's a Yukina fest. So we've got Tears Overflowing, which I hate to see her cry over this one. And the card that I really desired to get, but now I have obtained it, is the Versus Yukina Minoto card. Where she goes one-on-one with Ran. And oh, I love this card. I really do. I really love this card. And I'm so pleased to finally get it in person. So, yeah. But if you have used the 2500 of a band of your choosing, let me know on what members you obtained as well. I'd love to know. I would love to know. Alright. Moving swiftly on, we are going to open the Spring Skies in the next grade Gacha pack. I've just noticed as well I can open 2 more of these as well, so that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to open a first play with paid star pack, and then we're going to open 2 of these. So altogether, right, you know how I do with the 60 pay star pack. Everyone, get onto your mobile devices. If not, then just watch. But we're going to open this together by the power of the touch on our finger. So yeah, if you have this amount of pay stars, join along with me. And we're going to open in 3, 2, 1. Whoocha! Here we go. Ah, nothing. It's nothing. We got 2 Satai. I'm fine with that. Save it for a dupe. Alright. 2 more packs to open. These should be good. Alright. Now, we're going to do the luck of the draw. We're going to do it, guys. We are going to do the luck of the draw. Alright. Ori style. Let's do this. Alright. Let's do it. A boink. And ka-chow. Here we go. Come on. Give me a 4-star. Is it going to be a featured member with this 4-star? Is it going to be? No, it's gold. No. Got too hyped up about it, and the game's like, no, we're going to give you gold. Oh dear. I really psych myself up a lot when I'm opening a 2500. Oh, and I've got a new Kokoro as well. But yeah, I really get excited every time I open the 2500 pack, because you really expect to get a 4-star featured member, or it could be a 3-star featured member. You never know with this one, because they could teach you. like they're doing now. It'll tease you until the very end of the draw. And when you get that feature member, it's like, oh, you're such a tease. Oh, never mind. It's Kairu. Oh, it's a new Kairu as well. Oh, Hakanai. She looks so Hakanai. I love this one. I do. I love this one. I'm going to screenshot that. Yeah. Shout out to Inaburn and a hookup, by the way. Big fan of Kairu as well. That one's for you. Okay. Alright. Well, we are going to open another one to end the video. Shall we do the Ori Ori thing again? Oh, but I'm not going to do it this time. Oh no. I'm not going to do this one. I'm going to hand it to my assistant from Afterglow, Tomei, to do it. So, Tomei, take it away, girl.
Punch!
Thanks, Tomei. Alright. Last time for the video. Let's do this. In 3, 2, 1. Whatcha! Come on. Come on. What are you gonna get? Yay! Oh, we're feeling it. Oh my god, we're feeling it. We're feeling it. I'm feeling this one. I'm feeling it. Oh, I am feeling it. Let's see. Oh! It's not a feature member. Oh my god! It's the Neo Aspect Fantasy event. Oh my god! This is so cool. Oh, I love this card. I always wanted this one as well, and I finally got it in this pack. Oh, she looks so cool. Rinko. Oh, I'm very happy about that. I'm very happy. One for the screenshot of the collection. Oh. Brilliant. I'm speechless. I can't. Like, every time I get a new card, there's always a certain feeling that like, when you want that card at first, and then you just have to like keep searching and searching and searching until you can finally get it. And when you finally get it, it's like, yes, rejoice! It's justice. So yeah, I haven't got this one of Katsumi Toyama, so that's great. Is this canon? Yes, got that one. Alright. Well, that was a good pack opening video. That was good. That was certainly good. No featured members though, I'd say. No featured members. I'd love to get Ran, the Ran card. But I'm certainly happy with what I've attained. We'll go over from what we've got. So let me default, and we'll go over what we've got. Okay, we'll start off with 4-star Tears Overflowing Yukina Minato, which I hate to see her cry over this one. I don't know what event this is from though. I haven't played it really. So it's an event that I haven't played. So let me know down in the comments where this card is from. I absolutely love this card. the next one of Yukina Minoto versus. This is the Roselia versus Afterglow event. Yeah, just these two alone, staring down at each other. Just it's like the battle of the generation. Forget about that season finale of season 3 with Poppin' Party versus Roselia versus Razor It's Yukina versus Ran, Roselia versus Afterglow. Two vocalist singers facing off against each other, and I was like, yes, sign me up, sign me up. Get me a ticket, and I'll go see him right away. Well, right after we're out of quarantine, of course. So yeah. Moving on, we have a 3-star Kairu Seta, looking so hakanai with her red dress and those heels. Ooh, you go, girl. Showing them legs as well. Whoo! So feminine. My. Anyways, looking so nice there. And I'm gonna end the video off with this thumbnail here of Rinko, the solo wizard of this one. Look at this card. Look at this. I absolutely love this card. Along with the event as well. The Neo Aspect Fantasy event. Where all Roselia members go into this RPG world. Like World of Warcraft. Virtual style game. And yeah, and you got the two most experienced players, Arco and Rinko. Yeah, with these two together as well in this photo, it's just that caps it off for me. Just I love it. So yeah, this has been a great pack opening video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and if you have, make sure to hit the like button down below. And if you're new to my channel and want to check out more of my videos, then you can by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell for more updating content when I upload my next video. My Twitter is @ElusiveAl21, my BitChute is ElusiveAl, and my Instagram is FurnaceTime17. And if you have anything to say in the comments below, and tell me what you obtained in your packs as well during this event and in the featured band 1 4-star guaranteed pack section of what band you've chosen. Tell me what you've got as well in those selections. I'd love to know. I'd love to know what you've got. And yeah, that is going to do it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bandery! Wait, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to go back. I've got to look at this card again. I've got to look at this card again. Oh. Talk about battle for the ages. Jeez. It's a hard one to pick. Just sign me up. Just sign me up. Where do I sign to watch these two magnificent bands going at each other? Just sign me up. Just sign me up.